Hello, welcome to Recommended Video Channels, where I locate YouTube's most interesting channel content for you. There are many new and existing videos here for you, so browse our many selections and playlist to watch something. Be sure to subscribe and click on Notify so you'll be made aware of our newest uploads. I'm your host, Ben Bailey. Thanks for coming by my channel. Now here's the interesting video selected for you. Sailing La Vagabonde is one of mine and my wife's favorite sailing videos. We've been watching it since 2017, although it's actually been airing for about 7 years now. This episode is entitled Leaving Our Boat in the Path of a Hurricane. Riley and Elayna have taken their children over to Florida to escape the path of the hurricane, but they're still worried about their sailboat, La Vagabonde. Although worried about their sailboat, they spend some family time together in the house that they're using. Riley and Elayna have some birch dyes on their side, and so Riley is going to test out one of their newest items, a rain suit. So he proceeds to put it on and disappear into the shower. Riley makes plans to fly back to the Bahamas to secure his boat and spend the time riding out the hurricane. However, when he arrives at the airport, he finds that the weather is deteriorated as shown by the radar on these different cell phones, and the flight crew informs him that they will be unable to take him to the Bahamas. Riley then contacts people that he knows on the Bahamas to see if they can't help secure his boat, and they agree to do so. Unable to fly to the Bahamas, Riley returns back to the home where he and Elayna with the children are staying, and they continue their enjoyment of their vacation. Sharing some of the local news video of the Miami area, you can see that cars and homes are starting to be invaded with water. With the danger past, Riley and Elayna and the two children are able to fly back to the Bahamas and move back aboard their sailing boat. Riley displays his new swimming fins. The artwork on it depicts the sailing vessel sailing La Vagabonde. Elayna has her own private swimwear company where she manufactures and sells bathing suits for women. Thanks for watching. You'll find a link below to the full version of this episode at the recommended channel.